Being a man is not just a matter of age. In Igbo society, it's a journey, a process with various stages marked by tradition, endurance, and honor, from the first cry to the final stage. Each stage shapes the man he becomes. On the 8th day after birth, as a baby, his journey begins with circumcision, a rite marking his entry into Igbo manhood. From here, his path is set. As he approaches adolescence, the next chapter unfolds with initiation into the masquerade cult, marking the end of childhood. This rite is both spiritual and social, signifying a powerful transition into manhood. No longer just a child, he becomes part of the revered ancestral traditions and hidden knowledge. As he matures, he joins his age group, Otu Agbo. This association is more than fellowship. It's responsibility. Together, they build, decide, and lead. It is here that leadership and unity are shaped. In the twilight of his years, the final crown awaits. If he has lived well, honored truth, and upheld tradition, he may be initiated into the revered Nzenorzor society. He becomes a custodian of justice, a guardian of culture, a man not just of age, but of wisdom. To be a man in Igbo society is to walk a path forged by ancestors. Each stage, a step into purpose. Each rite, a rebirth.